So for today's chocolate brownie recipe, I'm melting about 150 grams of dark chocolate compound and 130 grams of butter in a double boiler. So just melt it. And here I've lined a baking tin 7 by 7 inches with some baking paper. And I'm also going to preheat my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now once the chocolate and the butter has melted, just take it off the gas. And we're going to add about 200 grams of powdered sugar. I'm going to mix all of this really well. Now I'm going to be beating 3 eggs and we're going to add this to our mixture and just mix everything well again. Now I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and again give it a good mix. One teaspoon of baking powder goes in, mix that in well. And the last but not the least ingredient is some flour, about 150 grams of flour. Now you can add chopped walnuts, about half a cup of chopped walnuts too. And your batter is all ready. So now just pour the batter into the lined tin. And we're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Now every oven is different, so keep an eye on the brownie. And now after 20 minutes, let the brownie cool down completely to room temperature before you cut it into even size squares. So just demold it and cut it up into large squares like this. These brownies are so gooey and so yummy. And the best part about it is all in just one pot. So you just mix everything and you're all ready to go. So I've added some walnuts, as you can see. That makes it really, even more delicious with the walnuts in it. And drizzle it with some lovely chocolate sauce. This is a big favorite at my place, and it's such a quick recipe that even if you have some unexpected guests and if you have all your ingredients, you can just mix it up, pop it into the oven, and you're all ready to go. Now another way I like to serve it is I like to warm the brownie in my microwave and then put a big dollop of vanilla ice cream on top and again drizzle it with some chocolate sauce. And once the ice cream starts to melt, as you just cut into the brownie, it's just divine. So do give this recipe a try. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.